Hey guys, Spencer Kaufman with How To Video Channel here. Today I'm going to show you a great recipe to mix up to make your garden produce more fruits and vegetables. It's also great for your plants around the house, garden beds, flowers, etc. What this does is it gives them a good jump start and it helps them produce more fruit or more flowers on the plant. So it's really very simple. You need a couple ingredients: Epsom salt and hot water. Now we're going to mix this up into a hose end sprayer, and so the calculation for this is 3/4 cups Epsom salt to 4 cups of hot water, and then you're going to put that in the hose end sprayer and spray that out at a ratio of 3 ounces per gallon. And what that is going to equal is about 4 teaspoons of Epsom salt per gallon. We're mixing this up as concentrate and then spraying it out. So if you don't have a hose end sprayer and you have like a garden sprayer that you would use for spraying like weed killer or bug products, like one of the pump sprayers, then what you can do is just take 4 teaspoons of salt and put it into your 1 gallon of warm water, or dissolve that in the warm water. Or if you want to put 4 times the amount in the 4 cups and then dump that into a whole gallon and dilute it that way, you can do it. But the ratio that we're doing is 3/4 cup Epsom salt into the 4 cups water and then diluting it down with the hose end sprayer at 3 ounces per gallon, so that we equal about 4 teaspoons of salt per gallon of water. So that's our ratio. We're going to get started here. Alright, so the first ingredient, we need 3/4 cups of salt. Alright, then hot water. Now this is going to help the salt dissolve. So we want 4 cups of hot water. And we're going to stir that in. Okay, so now what we have is some very strong magnesium sulfate concentrate, or Epsom salt concentrate, that when this cools we will put it into the hose end sprayer, set the dial to 3 ounces, that's 3 ounces per gallon of water, that is going to then be sprayed all over our garden plants. So if you have any questions about the ratio of that, again, it's 3 ounces per gallon with this concentrate, otherwise it's about 4 teaspoons per gallon of water, and you can do the math breaking that down if you want. It'd be 1 teaspoon per 4 cups, and so if you're just going to spritz this on plants, you would only put 1 teaspoon in here as compared to 3/4 cup, which is what we did. 3/4 cup is about 12 tablespoons, 12 teaspoons. So you can do the math and convert all that if you want. If you need any help with that, comment below. Also, if you need to get any Epsom salt or a hose end sprayer, anything like that, check out the links in the description below. I really hope you like this video and that it gives you some great results on your plants in your garden. Be sure to comment below with those results as well. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and stay tuned to future videos. Thank you.